I challenge you to a Fortnite dance battle on a slip and slide.
Whoa, and it's all full of soap. It's gonna be really slippery. Whoa.
And the loser has to destroy their Fortnite llama.
What? No! Not my llama. I love my llama, please.
It's the world's largest squishy llama, and I definitely don't want to destroy it, you guys.
Here's the weapon we are gonna have to destroy it with because I'm gonna beat you, V.
You guys are going to help us decide who the winner's going to be and who has to destroy their llama. In this hat, we have a variety of Fortnite dances that we're gonna randomly pick from. We have a second hat with yoga moves. This was inspired by the Ribka twins and Brooklyn and Bailey, so give this video a like right now to give us good luck vibes so we don't fall and hurt ourselves on the slippery slide.
What are we picking first?
I think we should do Fortnite first.
The first Fortnite dance is going to be the squat kick. All right, guys, we're gonna watch the squat kick here.
Whoa!
Oh,
no! You gotta jump? What the heck?
This is gonna be impossible on a slip and slide, guys.
Oh my god, I can't even do that on solid ground.
Whoa! Okay. I gotta go first, V? That's not fair. It was something like split. Oh, I got soap in my face.
Oh no! Alright guys, you guys should just vote for me based on this hot outfit that I have on.
Taco Bell! Woo!
But you're gonna be way more impressed with my dance moves. Ready?
Ready.
Oh my god!
Oh.
And then what?
I don't know, V.
I don't know.
Fail!
Alright guys, comment below right now. Kick V if you think I did the best job.
Or kick Chad if I did the best squat kick.
Okay, next one. Go ahead, Chad.
Reincarnated, or is that reanimated?
Reanimated.
Reanimated! I can't read.
Oh, geez.
Oh, cool.
Oh, it's like a zombie.
Whoa!
Oh! Are you okay, Chad?
Sweet! B added soap on mine, not fair! B, you get over here, you try this. Good job, man. Comment down below who won that one. Who did the better job of slipping and falling down? Was it, just kidding, V or Chad?
All right, we're mixing things up with the yoga pose.
What do you think about that?
Titanic?
Oh, I love that movie. Cried every time. Oh man, the Titanic.
But this is like a two-person yoga.
Yeah.
But we're challenging each other.
How about instead of me and you together, it's me and the llama and you and the llama?
Okay. I got this, you guys. I got this.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I'm Jack and my llama's Rose. Don't ever let go, Rose.
I'm gonna mix this one up a little bit. I'm gonna do the reverse of what you did.
Oh God.
Hey, I'm king of the world!
All right, guys, vote Titanic V if you think I mastered that yoga pose.
Or Titanic Chad, because my llama's the best. While you guys are voting down below, we are gonna pick another Fortnite dance challenge here. V, go ahead and pick from the CWC hat.
Boogie Down!
I believe that's one of the new leaked dances. No one has seen it yet. You're gonna see it here first. Nice.
Wow.
Ooh. Whoa.
Oh.
He's a gingerbread man too, it looks like.
I don't know if I have all that swag
Dang.
to do this. You guys have no idea what's going on. I watched it like once and or even twice and 3 times. Have no idea. I'm just gonna go for it.
Good luck, V.
All right, give me some beatbox.
Yeah! Woo! Beautiful.
I don't even know.
Yeah. I don't remember that part. I don't remember that.
That was just an added bonus, you know, to win you guys' vote.
Ready for the boogie down?
Let's see the swag, Chad.
I'm gonna stretch out a little bit first. All right, here we go.
It's called the white swag.
Comment down below right now who you think won, Boogie Chad or Boogie V.
Boogie V, woo!
Let's do another Fortnite dance. The chicken.
Chicken?
That looks easy. I can handle that.
Oh, just clap it.
Oh, all right, yeah. Finally, an easy one.
Yeah.
All right, the key to this one is Really feeling that chicken vibe. Who can look like a chicken?
Oh my god! I think you got it, Chad.
That is so attractive, V.
I'm totally hot, you guys. Totally hot.
Vote down below, Chicken Chad, if you think I'm the best chicken.
Or Chicken V if you thought my sound was awesome.
Next pose or dance is
Crow. Brandon Lee. Oh.
What, 1 foot?
1 foot.
What?
You gotta be like really zen and center. I'm off center most of the time.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh.
That's pretty good. Whoa. Very nice.
It's really hard to like hold this pose.
That's because you gotta have the balance of a ninja. Let me show you how it's done, V. And a little bit like that. Oh,
wow.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo!
All right, you guys comment below Crow V if you thought I was awesome.
Or Crow Chad. Crow Chad. Fortnite Dance. I got like 5. Star power. It's about me. Uh-oh, this is a Korean dance. That's very feminine. Oh, wow. I don't know if I can be that.
There's too many steps.
I don't know if I can be that girly, guys. All right, I gotta hone my girliness. Starts with a little heart thing.
Oh, jeez.
Whoa. And then a little hit like this, and then woo, so girly.
I'm really less attracted to Chad now. Star power.
Slippery.
Vote below Star V if you think I'm the absolutely star of this couple.
Star Chad if I'm the Korean pop princess. Next dance, pick it up, V. I think this is a yoga hat. Let's see.
So
One arm. Oh, wow. That's
like a pretzel twist.
That's gonna be tough. So he's reaching behind his back with his one hand, grabbing his foot.
Yeah.
Pretty sure I can't do that, especially on a slippery slip and slide.
One arm. Oh, man. Got it. Got it.
You can't reach your foot. You can't reach your foot. That looks impossible. That looks impossible.
I'm almost there.
You're about a foot away.
Okay. That was good enough for me, you guys.
How is my hand gonna grab my foot? Yeah. Impossible! Well, that kind of sucked. Arm Chad if you thought I did it the best.
Or arm V if you thought I did it the best. Look at these muscles.
Who has the better arms, huh?
Better.
Woo, that's huge.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right.
Are you picking from your own hat?
No, go ahead.
Rambunctious!
Rambunctious.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That guy is definitely rambunctious.
Whoa.
What the?
Hey, what is that?
So he's just kind of
He's just
jumping around a little. Wow. Rambunctious.
You look like a monkey, Chad.
It's slippery!
A rambunctious monkey.
I'm getting rambunctious. Yeah.
Yeah.
Vote down below Ram V or Ram Chad. Go ahead and choose from the hat, V. I don't know if this is yoga or if this is Fortnite. Split.
Really?
Oh my gosh. What the heck?
It's like an sideways split.
There's no way I can do that. To reach up and grab my toes like that. Why don't you guys try this at home, see if you can do it. I doubt you can do it at home. Leave a comment below if you can. Wow, oh my gosh.
Done and done. Whoa! Still doing it.
That doesn't count. I can't do this. Here we go.
That was not a split at all.
Hey!
All right, guys, don't even need to vote for Split Chad. Just go ahead and type down Split V for the winner.
Because you do have a split personality. Next Fortnite dance, pick from the hat.
Ooh, I got 2.
What'd you
It
get?
is the click.
Click.
quick.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta jump pretty high.
That's very dangerous on the slip and slide.
Yeah, it is.
Filled with soap. It's very slippery. Look at it. Look at it. Pretty sweet, huh?
It was alright.
Oh shoot, that's so slippery! Oh my god, I'm gonna fall on my head. Click!
It's alright. Vote below, click V if you thought I had the best click.
Or click Chad, because...
Alright. Let's see. Crane!
Oh my god.
That's a really difficult yoga pose. I've gone to some yoga classes. Yoga classes. And
Yogurt?
I think
Yogurt classes? I love learning how to make yogurt.
Like, this is really hard. I think you have to be like a master yogi.
I'm a yo guy. Yo guys, what's up? All right, we just added some more soap and water to this. That's gonna make it, oh my gosh, it's so slippery. Look how slippery it is. Okay, this is gonna be impossible. I got this.
Oh my gosh, you're doing it. How? Oh my gosh.
Oh, my head's all soapy now.
Oh no.
I'm like complaining about getting soap in my hair. Like I've never washed my hair before.
I don't think Ezra has.
Whoa. Almost. You can do it. Whoa.
That's good enough for me.
Vote down below. I think we all know who won this one.
No, the screaming really adds to it,
yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Right, vote below now for Crane V if you thought I was awesome.
Or Crane Chad, because I'm a true crane. Wait, no I'm not. I'm a yo guy. Next, dance or pose.
Zany?
Zane.
Zany or Zane? Chad, you're already naturally zany, so just be yourself, you know? Alright, it's a Fortnite dance, you guys.
Get zany. Oh!
Whoa.
I like it.
This is so you.
Is it me?
Yeah.
Oh! I love it. I can handle this. Let's get zany. Getting zany.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Vote down below. We all know. Hey, that rhymed. Vote down below, because we all know who is the most zany. Zany Chad.
Or Zany V. Alright guys, we read your comments, we saw it, we tallied it up, and I'm really disappointed in you guys because you voted for Chad!
Woo!
What?
Get ready to say sayonara to your llama.
Oh no! Can I have a few moments with him?
Sure, go say your last departing words with your llama.
Okay. I'm really gonna miss you, Valama. We had so much fun times together. Remember all the great times? Sorry I disappointed you. I'm gonna really miss you.
Well, V, I really hate to do this to you because your llama is a wonderful llama, but it's gonna have to meet the sword.
I'm not ready for this.
Talk about making some llama drama! Oh, Mr. Llama, I'm so sorry.
Oh no.
Hey, he's got two heads now.
Oh.
We can put them back together. His head can go right there, and this one can go right here. It's a Siamese twin llama.
Thank you for the notification squad. I'm showing your comments right here who showed up in the first hour when I upload a video. Make sure to check out this video where me and Chad do more slip and slide challenges, or check out this video if you already seen that one. Make sure to subscribe to me and subscribe to Chad. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at Qwaint, and I'll see you next time. Bye.